Right. Hey. Let me just run this past you again because I don't know what we've done now. Is I machined that to fit in there. Okay, so you get a much nicer toughened boat, so it spins pretty well indeed. So we're going to make a set of forks for that. You know, it's all yours, just change it about a bit. So don't worry about a thing, innit? We'll sort it out. Yeah, so we want a set of forks. Now the bottom forks are got to be different because they got a pulley on. So they got to be differently made. So we can still get at that nut, which I think you can by making a tube, weld a tube on the fork so you can get a spanner, not a spanner, you know. So I got yours somewhere. The rustiest steel you've ever seen. But that's the sort of man I am. I don't care what I use. I'll talk to myself now for 5 minutes, alright? How big the forks are going to be? We want at least a 1/4 inch jump. So if I make the forks 40 mil, we make the forks 40 mil. You see the old ones? I used a bit of thread bar, and on the one I stripped the thread off it because it's obviously only mild steel, so they're still in use for something or other. You won't get me I'm part of the union because we want to be able to shift this up and down like that. It's called, altogether now, it's called tracking. Right, so we've now got that, so this one will be lifting up and down. Because when we put a table on here, we can then tilt the table whichever way you want to tilt. I've cut some of this stuff. I don't know what it is, but it's Rocco. But it saws and everything else. So that is going to go under there, something like that, drilled and fixed. I'll do a couple of brackets on there to drill and fix, and then this one is going to go in there like that. So you can undo that when you got one of them on, and we can tilt it to there. Or tilt it to there. I'll probably tilt it to there. We'll tilt it wherever you want to tilt it. Let's stick the fans on. I wouldn't want to do too much of that. It smells like fiberglass. So we rounded that off to fit onto there. This piece is going to fit onto there. I looked around, the battery stopped, fucking gone. We gotta be the test dummy and see if it'll run. Now this runs at 3000 revs, which is quite fast. So I don't want it whipping off into my face. Right, here we go, try it. Scary, yeah, scary. I haven't done that because that's the, I gotta put the tracking mechanism. We'll try it again. It is scary, I can tell you that much, but you've got to have a test done. Well, that's what they used to call me. Ready? And you got no tension on the belt. There's no spring in there yet, so we've got no tracking at the moment. And we got no fucking brains. This is where you've got to fucking get it away. Because this is going to go pretty fucking fast. This side will have to come down, but we've got to sort the thing out on a 2-minute job, innit? 2-minute job. Right, get me so that's fucking straight. So it does work, doesn't it? It's running and nothing's getting warm. I think it's just a matter of tweaking. That's such a fucking word. Don't look back in anger. That's enough for one day.